Listen to what I say.
Do not keep asking me to repeat my life story.
Respond to my phone calls.
Get my name right.
Cover your maternity leave.
Have our best interests at heart.
Let me know if you're going on holiday first.
Empathise, but please don't say I know how you feel.
Be sensitive to my mood.
Don't keep asking me to repeat my life story.
Follow up on any actions.
In your notes, write what you know, not what you think you know.
Don't turn up unexpectedly.
Keep changes with the social worker to an absolute minimum.
Answer your phone.
Help with everyday tasks that I may lack confidence in.
Actually do something.
Don't be too serious. Be friendly.
Answer your phone.
Be honest.
Make sure I know your name.
Be down to earth.
Actually do something.
Be on time at the right place for meetings.
See me more.
Give good advice. If you aren't available, please let me know who I can contact.
Be sensitive to my mood.
Be less formal.
Make sure I have an advocate.
Don't always see me in the office.
And make sure you have our best interests at heart.
Be respectful.
Me raising my voice may be because I don't think you understand what I'm saying, not because I'm angry.
Don't be too serious. Be a little more friendly.
I need a relationship built on trust.
Be funny and have a posh car.
Be a good listener.
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 I want someone who can make me feel safe.